down through the ceiling in the hopper. It shoots the feeder, constantly pushing and feeding it into the oven. The oven's got panels on the side of it to keep it from heat exposure. You pop that little piece of insulation out of each hole, you're looking at 2,000 degrees. This is a good example. Little lights getting around that piece of the factory. Stir. Here's where the glass is flown into a tin bath. There's approximately 180,000 tons. Sorry, 180 tons of tin. This tin bath. It's a long oven. Now we have the end of the tin bath into what's called the layer. The layer has stages of cooling it down. They're still heating using electricity, but they're cooling it down at an exact rate and putting a dimmer in it. Sulfur dioxide in the layer, in the atmosphere. They layer to get flakes or chips off of the glass. Then we go into the cooling section. Named that way for obvious reasons. If you're looking at all the ventilation on top. This is of central drive units. They're pretty big. Here's the first time we actually get to see the glass outside the oven. And here we have the mass air, named naturally because of all the air tubes coming down, blowing on the glass, cooling it precisely. Here we have a laser inspection station, looking for imperfections and inconsistencies in the glass. there's a major inspection landing and station. And then after the sulfur dioxide's treated the glass for anti-flake and the layer is cooled, this device brings any flakes off the top of the glass before it comes into final production and cutting. And here's what we call the damn chopper. This thing detects if we're running bad glass or impure glass, it would break it up right here. And it would go in a conveyor system down below the plant, and that would be it. We've got a lot of high-speed cutters. High-speed cutters are pretty interesting. They're constantly working. I know that. Figured you were. Ooh, broken. Big mistake there. And they still just break glass the old-fashioned way. Still break glass the old-fashioned way. They still break it by bending it, snapping it. Then we come into the side cutter section, where it trims off the sides where it was driven and pulled down through the line. Then it will be broke into here's a good example. There's some really badly broken glass traveling on that plate right now. It's shattered in the wrong spot, but the eyes will have detected it and it's going to scrap it out here. There's 2 or 3 places on the line that it scraps out glass. We're coming up on one right now. It's just more or less it just comes up, smacks it, and just shatters it and lets it go down. If it's bad, it gets dropped. If it's good, it goes on. A high-speed lift table. That one didn't get trimmed off. That one didn't get trimmed off. There's a trim. That one may be allowed to go. Now let's go see what the stackers do with it. The high-speed stackers are more interesting. Here we have automatic lift tables that'll come up and take the product to the high-speed stacker. Stackers move at a lot higher on a production rate, but right now they're just having them basically do the grunt work. They're having them pick up pretty thick stacks right now. See how the table will get out of the way of the glass that needs to go down the line? Pretty near cool. I wish they had one of the plate stackers, one of these big arms right here running, instead of the little one. And we've got 3 or 4 high-speed stacking lines down through there.